Come together and pick whatever you want. Admit that wonders already grown. Accepted that soon will be drenched to the bone. If your time to use worth saving, you better start swimming or you sink like a stone. For the times they are changing. That's it. Come writers and critics who prophesize with your pain, keep your eyes wide, the chance won't come again. And don't speak too soon, for the wheel's still in spin. And there's no telling who that it's naming. For the loser now, later to win, come on. For the times they are changing. Welcome, senators and congressmen, please heed our call. Don't stand in that doorway, don't block up that hall. For he who gets hurt will be he who hurts stall. In this battle sad raging, it will soon shake your windows and rattle your walls. For the times they are changing. I don't care what truth bubble you may be living in these days. I don't care who you vote for. I don't care what God you pray to, or if you don't pray at all. I think we can all agree when we look out our windows these days, it's a pretty scary fucking time. And I don't pretend to have any real solutions of depth and intellectualism. But for me, I just think there's never been a more important time than we've all been alive, for us to look out for one another. And when we get the opportunity to raise our voices together. There's a lot of words in this song, so it's not a great song for singing along together. But there is that one line that we all know. It's going to come around sooner or later, and so I just want to let you know now. If you feel like singing that line with me, I would appreciate it tonight. The line is drawn, the curse it is cast. The slow one now will later be fast, just as the present now will later be past. The order is rapidly fading, and that first one now may later be last. For the times they are changing. Shit, that was good. Let's do that again. For the times they are changing. Oh, the times they are changing.